And this program essentially involves having government officials come and stay in people's homes overnight, for a couple of days at a time over a couple of weeks. To surveil people in their own homes and in their most intimate moments, and to try to persuade people the government sees as potentially disloyal to support the Chinese Communist Party. This violates numerous black-letter international laws. It's one of a series of very aggressive, intrusive steps we've seen the central and regional authorities take to really monitor every aspect of Uyghurs' lives, what language they use, how often they worship. So it's of extreme concern that the Chinese government is resorting to such tactics.